Happy Monday! Oh god, my hair looks terrible. Good morning guys. Oh, you can't, there we go. I'm going to quickly show you my little Ikea haul. So I've gone to Ikea because I needed I am on the Mrs. Hinch. Sorry, I've got another washing machine on, another wash load on. So if you didn't watch last week's video, I'll leave it in the description box, but I'm starting to do all of Little Bean's clothes. So first wash of the day is on. But I'm on the Mrs. Hinch Facebook group. Someone had redecorated the daughter's room. She'd put these lovely little shelves up and put books in them. And I was like, oh my god, that's really cool, like where do you find them? So I found the post again recently because I was like, I really want them shelves, but I couldn't find them anywhere. Turns out they're spice racks from Ikea. They're £3.50. I did look on eBay because Ikea, it took a while to come, but on eBay there was £10 each, Ikea £3.50 each. But I also got some other bits, obviously. So I've got one of these. I love these. I love like going into little restaurants and like they fill it up with water. This was only like £1.50, £1 something like that. That looks like it's gonna come off really, really easily. It's just to protect it. Okay, so it's got these little, I thought the stripes were like part of this. Little lands all around it. I think this was the 1 litre one. So I thought it'd be real nice like in the summer when like we have all our garden done and things, where you can just pop that off. And also it's my baby shower really soon as well, so I thought this would be great for the baby shower, just to pop some water in and like leave it in some ice or something like that. So yeah, it's really, really, for like £1, I think it was like £1.75, £1.50, £1.75, so you can't really go wrong. Another thing I got was a little jug. This was £2 I want to say. It's just a glass jug again. I'm going to put my, look, I'm going to put my little mocktails in this. This is for the baby shower. I don't have anything like this, and me and my mum was like, we want to start like building up things like this. So we've got some really nice little just white trays from B&M, which I'm currently keeping because she's got like no room in the kitchen. So we're just like upping our party things really, just things like this, and just keeping a collection. So if she ever has a party, I can be like, do you want some of these, you know, vice versa. But then also it's good for in the summertime next year, put a little mocktail in there or something like that. But I just thought for the shower it's really nice, but then also nice just for all year round. Also it'd be nice as a little vase as well as a tinier one. I really liked the pattern of this, but they didn't have it in a bigger size. Like, look how cute the pattern is. This was £1.25, and these are all new by the way on Ikea, so we're in August 2020. Just put that there if people are watching this a lot more later on. So yeah, these were new, but I think they were like, look how cute they are. Like, I just thought it was really cute. So we actually already have these plates, or something very, very similar, which we got last year. I think they were only like £1.50 each. I got some little washcloths for baby. These were in the baby section. They were 10 packs for £3.50. They've got all these little different colours. I don't know if you can actually see that because of the light. Yay! My shelves. But realistically, a spice rack. So what I'm going to do, instead of putting it together first, because I want it white, I don't want it this colour. So I'm going to paint it white. So I'm going to paint them all white probably later on today. I've got Lauren coming around today, so I'll probably do this later on. I just had to show you this little row of socks. How adorable. Morning, happy Wednesday. I hope you are well. I am really tired this week. I've not really done anything apart from doing Bean's wardrobe. I started that on last week's vlog, the end of last week's vlog. So as I've already said, I'll leave it in the description box down below. But I started washing all of her clothes on Sunday, and it's now Wednesday, and I've just got all the bedding to do. Well, the bedding we've got so far. Turns out I'm getting a bit confused with, and Benny's, to be fair, because we're both trying to work out. But we're getting confused. When we go to Asda, they have some really lovely bedding and it's really cheap, really good quality, so it's just like, we may as well get it from Asda. But you've got like Mersey's bedding, cot bed, cot, and then there's another one. There's like 4 different ones and we're like, what? So we've just gone with Mersey's basket bedding, obviously, because we've got a Mersey's basket, so I was like, well, that'll fit. And I also googled because I need some pram lining as well, as so when we go out it's nice for her and things. So it turns out apparently the Mersey's basket sheets will also fit the pram, which is good. So we can use them, so I need a couple more of them so I can like alternate. But I've just tried the cot in our cot and it doesn't fit, so I assume that'll be for like my Sleep By Me. So, because we do have some Sleep By Me fitted sheets which came with our cot order, which was weird. It didn't come with, or did it come with a Sleep By Me? I can't remember. So yeah, so I need to get some cot bedding tonight. It's just all so confusing. I just don't know the sizes and things, so it's just really weird. But all the bedding so far we have is all in the wash, ready to go. Bean's room is ridiculously messy because it's just clothes everywhere, because I thought I want to clean it all, wash it all, dry it all, and then I put it all away together. So then I know what storage we've got and what I need to get. So there is a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Welcome to a pile of clothes. Oh no. Oh God. Well, it's a few hours later now, so there is a big pile of clothes. I've washed everything, I've just took the last bit out. It's been raining again, so I like how last week I was like, yeah, I'll do it whilst it's sunny. And then I do it when it's raining, so that means like I'm gonna have to put it on the radiator and over doors and stuff like that. But the last bit of washing has been done. Yes, baby shower is soon, so if we are lucky and people buy little Bean here some clothes, then more washing will happen, but that's not until a couple of weeks yet, so it's fine, we're okay. But I'm gonna get through this and this. Yeah, and the cats are now coming because they actually really like it in here. So yeah, I've been to, just quickly update you, I've been to Tip this morning, and because our garage was filling up big time, as I've already explained. So my mum popped round, she needed to go to Tip anyway. So she was like, do you need to get rid of this? Do you need to get rid of this? I was like, yes. Oh, it's just rubbish, it's okay. So yeah, went through the garage. I was like, right, let's just try and get rid of much stuff as possible. There is a lot of big things, but we need a bigger car or something like that. Yeah, and yeah, me and my mum can't, you know, I've got an old mattress, what needs to go to the Tip. But anyway, and then we popped into B&M because we have really bad cobwebs in the garage, like really bad. So I was like, I just want a feather duster. They didn't have any, so we popped next door into Poundland and I picked up 2 because they had some. Went into Iceland, and then I was like, I need to get back because Ben's mum came round, so it was really nice to see Ben's mum, and she stayed for a couple of hours and it was just real nice to like just catch up and things. And yeah, and then I've just eaten something. She's really kicking me, which is good. And Ben's decided to order some pub rub. Oh my god, the cats are crazy. So I've got a chicken burger coming, southern fried chicken burger coming with no mayo, because obviously not allowed mayo when you're pregnant. Oh, this is not a good look, is it? No, it's really not. Good morning, happy Sunday. I hope you are enjoying the vlog. The last 3 vlogs have not been very good. I've just been nesting. I am 31 weeks, well 32 because it's Sunday, because as I said, when it hits the Saturday. But I've just been nesting, like literally like enjoying cleaning up, tidying, when I've got a job in my mind, I need to do the job. So at the end of last week's vlog, you saw me starting the whole craziness of the washing. So everything of little beans has now been washed and it's all dry, it's all put away. So might show you a little bit later on, but it's going to be in the like nursery transformation video anyway. But yeah, it's just been I just wanted the nursery done and it's done. I've literally got 2 shelves to purchase and I need 4 A4 white picture frames and that's it. And I also need, to be honest, I need like tiny little baskets. Well, like I've seen them on Ikea pretty much, so I need to see something very similar maybe on eBay, because Ikea took quite a while to get delivered. But anyway, and I also have painted these and put them up. So these are going to be her little bookshelves. So they were from Ikea as well, which has just reminded me. So I need my dad to come round and pop them up for me. So I might see if I might message him today, like, I'll pick you up from work next week if you can come put up some shelves. So, but then there's no point in him putting them up because I'll only ask him to put the other ones up. So I need the shelves. I need the picture frames. I can do them easily, but just shelves, I don't trust myself. I don't have a drill and I don't trust myself. But anyway, and yeah, my dad does it properly with like the little thing with the bubble in the middle, and he makes it all. Yeah, I'm just not cut out for that. So we've got croissants and honey, natural yogurt. This looks really weird. Why has it gone like that? Tea. I need natural yogurt, honey, mango and grapes. I don't know why I always do 2. I just do on a Sunday. Clearly Bossum disagrees. Also, very quickly, you may notice that there's a lamp missing here. This morning when I picked up Ben, we were just chilling out on the sofa, talking about his night and things. And Bossum, I'm talking. Okay. Jinx, our youngest little black cat, shot up here and they normally sleep up here, like it's really cute and out of the way for them. Blossom, calm down. She decided to then stand up, and then out of nowhere she stood up and then went to lean against that like she was pawing the air. And me and Ben was like, no, she's not going to jump, there's nothing there. She decided to just jump out of the pouch and then straight into the wall, face planted, thinking she was going to grab onto something, and just fell and broke my lamp. Completely broke it. She's fine, she's perfectly fine. She got up and started running about again, and we were just like, what just happened? Does anyone else's cat do this? She just paws at nothing. So, but anyway, story of the morning. Gonna pop on some Friends because I've got nothing else to watch, so yeah.